Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a capture card to your Streamlabs OBS software, and it's very easy to do. So first we need to choose our scene. So I'm just going to add mine to the game scene. I renamed that. And then we can go to sources right here, go to the plus icon. Now go to video capture devices, your webcam, and it says capture device Elgato AverMedia, and then Black Magic right here. So we can go to add source. Then we can go to add new source instead right here and just name it whatever you want. Video capture device, fine. We can go to add source. Then under device, we can select this and we can choose our capture card now. So it could be like AverMedia, just select that under here. I don't have the option because my capture card isn't connected. So once we have it selected, we can go down to some of the options under here. Like we can go to device default, otherwise we can go to custom right here, and we can add a custom resolution or match output FPS. So you can just try going to device default, and then you should be able to just capture over from there. So go to close, and then it should be captured in the background now. So if you have like a PlayStation or something that's hooked up, it should be really easy to just see it in the background. Then if it's not large enough, you could transform the background or something like that and right click on it, and you can make this a lot bigger. So here's my picture right here. I can go to transform, and then I can fit to screen. I can center on screen, or I can like rotate it 180 degrees or flip it vertically. Or if your image isn't quite bright enough, you can go to filters, edit filters. And what you can do is increase the brightness. So just scroll on down, filters. I think I already have a filter on for this, color correction. So you just go to add filters, color correction. Otherwise you have a bunch of different options like chroma keys under here too. You can go to that. And then you can just increase the brightness right here. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.